Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Speak with Indu. How are you all? I hope you all are good and feeling happy today. In this video, I will talk about better way of speaking English fluently. Most of the people, they learned grammar, they learned thousands of vocabulary, they need teacher, but still they don't speak fluently. Why? Because they are following bad method. So today I will give you right method. Step 1, start speaking simple sentences from day 1, because this will train your mouth, and your mouth automatically you start speaking fluently. So as more you speak fluently. So start practicing of speaking, not just listening videos. Start speaking like simple sentences. I'm eating, I'm drinking, I'm laughing. Step 2, listen and repeat again and again. Don't just watch videos. Don't just don't just watch. You also start to repeat whatever you watch. Just repeat. Because of repetition you start speaking. Third step is start thinking in your mind. Don't translate in your mind. You are translating, that's why you are not speaking. So start thinking in your mind. When you saw a dog, just said dog. When you are excited, then said I'm excited. Ask yourself question, what I am doing, how I am feeling. If you started thinking in your mind, then you started speaking fluently. And next step is just speak. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Many of learners, they don't speak because they afraid of making mistakes. They thought people will judge me if I made mistakes. They will judge me. What they thought, I am what if they